So why are you still up in the bed?
Uh,
Tell me why you up. Love you too. Tell me why you up.
uh,
And it's 6 o'clock in the morning. All y'all up at 6 in the morning. I love all of y'all.
oh yeah.
I love you.
Oh yeah.
So why you up at 6 in the morning? Can we get some sleep, please? Oh my God. I gotta get some sleep. Please, please. So you gonna keep me up all night, huh? Tell me you gonna keep me up all night. You wanna say night-night? Say night-night, Kira. Say good morning, Nana. Why you smell like deodorant, Kira? Kira, where you got it? Put the top on the deodorant. Why you eating deodorant? Why is you eating deodorant at 5 in the morning? You can't eat deodorant. Why? I know I smell deodorant. Why is you eating deodorant? You eating it too? OMG, bro. Put that deodorant up, bro.
No.
Lay down. No, time to go to sleep. Say night-night.
No.
Why is you eating deodorant? Don't you eat that deodorant, Nana?
I'm not going.
No, get off me. You is going to watch your mouth. Nana, why is you still up? No. Don't you open that. Nana, you would have put chocolate cookie on your shirt. Put the top on it, no, Kier. Why your leg out? Get your behind down. Go sit down somewhere. Say night-night.
No.